Dithda had an arch the dolen niver deg. Ne elevie grizzy, tolen niver deg. I can hardly believe it, programme number 10. But we've learned a huge amount of useful Cornish so far. Today I'm going to introduce you to the rest of my family, as I've off to my sisters for Nadelik. That's right, it's Nadelik, Christmas! Tama Chio War. War is Cornish for sister, but you've got to be a bit careful how you say it. Nadelik Lowen, Julie.
Nadelik Lowen these broder. Disaji. Ottoma Steve.
Tamm. Nadelik Lowen.
Nadelik Lowen, man.
Tamm. Nadelik Lowen.
Nadelik Lowen, Taz. So that's all of my core family. Father in Cornish is Taz, and mother is Mam. I'm Julie's brother, and she's my War, sister. Mum and Dad call me their Mab, meaning son, and Julie is their Myrch, daughter. Together we are their Fleches, children. Julie has a gŵr, husband, called David, and she is his Greg, wife. Nadelik Lowen, David.
Dydd da, Steve, and Nadelik Lowen this.
David is my brother Trelaka. If I'm Julie's brother, then brother Trelaka is brother-in-law.
Ottoma agan Myrch Lowena, Hamab, Jacka.
This down to Steve.
Dithani Fatlagenes.
Pure that, Mirasunta.
Jacka, oh noi.
Death down to Steve, Pandravin to Eva, Emma Gwyn Corf per Sherry.
Sherry Marplay.
Hamamwin, Pandravin to Eva.
Gwyn Morpleg.
Taswin, Pandravin to Eva.
Gwyn in Wales, my plague.
Ottoma Cart Nadelik divorce Modrib Morwena in Australia.
Oh. Pure that.
Ha Carteno Errol divorce Agan Kendero Bruce ha Kenitero Sheila.
Splan. We know the core family members already, but let's have a look at some of the more extended family. My mum and dad are grandparents to my sister's children, so they are their Taz Gwyn, grandfather, and Mamwyn, grandmother. My sister's son is my Noi, nephew, and my sister's daughter is my Neith, niece. I am their Aunter, uncle. My sister and I have an aunt who lives in Brisbane in Australia. She is our Modrip. And she has 2 children, Bruce, who is our Kendero, male cousin, and Sheila, who is our Kenitero, female cousin. It's interesting that Cornish has separate words for male and female cousins, whilst English just has the one word for both. Lemon and Rojo Nadelik. Taz, Conconna. Mam, chocolate. Or bottle of wine. Linda's brother then, Mezima brother Trelaka then, David. I thought brother Trelaka, Patrico. Lemon Rago Noijaka, Daffer Divarva. Rago Nithlowena, Genwaith. Well, Henry Wall.
Regos.
Oh, Maras Lowena.
Manwen, Kernewek.
Oh, Jacker, Maras. Oh. Oh. Oh, Maras this.
Come a raw regos so noisy.
Raz. Miraz ownta Steve.
A regos geo nithe.
Mira sound to Steve. Ah, pure tha. As you hem a teg. Mira's braz own to Steve.
Welcome Ostani.
Pure vin caffo squadron a wee narrow.
Oh, min have mar pleg.
Oh, me of us.
Nadelig Lowen, on and hagol. Let's have another recap of some of the vocabulary, this time with the help of a family tree. Tas Gwyn, grandfather. Mam Wyn, grandmother. Ewnter, uncle. Modrip, aunt. Tas, father. Mam, mother. Kendero, male cousin. Knitero, female cousin. Brother, brother. Hwor, sister. Noi, nephew. Neath, niece. Mab, son. Mirch, daughter. You can also add drelacha to words like broader to make broader drelacha, brother-in-law. And finally, what's Cornish for Happy Christmas? Nadelig Lowen. So that's Nadelig over and done with for another year. Next month, I'll be going to a New Year party where my favourite band Hanta here are playing. So join me then for Tamm Kernewek, a bit more Cornish. Diw genes, bis the nesatro, diw genechwi.